Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness course. Allow me to introduce myself. I am the Professor Sang. I am a cybersecurity professor at several universities around the world, and I have been dedicated to teaching for over 15 years, with more than 20 years of experience in the tech field. I have had the opportunity to share knowledge at numerous global conferences and events, always with one purpose: to help more people understand the importance of protecting themselves in the digital world. But I don't want to bore you with my resume. What truly matters is that I'm here to guide you, to turn the complex into something practical and simple, and to help you feel safe in this digital space where we spend much of our lives. Think about it for a moment. The digital world is no longer a place we visit occasionally. It's where we work, learn, shop, entertain ourselves, and connect with those we care about. And now that many of us work from home more often, our internet connection has become as essential as electricity or water. This brings huge benefits, but also new responsibilities and risks that we need to learn how to manage. Sometimes news about cyber attacks can scare us a little, right? But I want you to know something from now on. Cybersecurity isn't just for experts. With the right knowledge, you can become the protector of your own information, your families, and even your companies. That's exactly what this course is designed for. A journey we will take together, step by step. We'll discover the art of creating passwords that are true fortresses, and I'll show you awesome tools like password managers that will make your life much easier. We'll identify your most valuable information and how to keep it protected. We'll explore the world of social engineering, tackling traditional topics like phishing, but also current ones like deepfakes or AI-based attacks. But not from a place of fear, but from curiosity, so you can learn to recognize them instantly. Together, we'll make your web browser a fortified castle, ensure your online shopping is always safe, and make sure your mobile phone, that inseparable companion, is armored. We'll even talk about how to protect your home Wi-Fi network and the precautions you should take when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, all with one goal, so you can browse with peace of mind and feel truly protected wherever you are. My objective is that by the end, you will feel in control, that digital security stops being a burden and becomes a natural habit, like putting on a seatbelt when driving. And don't worry, this won't be a theoretical, boring course. On the contrary, I've prepared something visual, practical, and dynamic, with images, real-life examples, and exercises you can do without any risk. I want you to feel cybersecurity, to experience it in a safe environment. You'll be able to try tools, configure options, and practice with fake email simulations, all without any risk. At the end of each module, you'll find small challenges. Nothing complicated, but very useful to reinforce everything you've learned and to help you see your own progress. This course has been created with you in mind. It doesn't matter your level of experience or your knowledge of technology. All you need is curiosity and a desire to protect what's important to you. My promise is that by the end of this journey, not only will you have more knowledge, but you'll feel more calm, more prepared, and more confident every time you connect to the internet. So if you're ready to take control of your digital security, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to begin this journey into cybersecurity? Let's get started.